Let's learn the steps on how to switch your TikTok account from a private to a public one. If you switch to a public TikTok account, then anyone on TikTok can view your videos, follow you, and engage with your content. Your profile is visible to everyone, and your videos can appear in searches and on the For You page, potentially reaching a wider audience. Let's open the TikTok app on our phone, and then go over to your TikTok profile by tapping here. Once you're on your profile, simply tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. After you open this page, click on the second option called Privacy, which has this little lock icon, and at the very top of this page, you'll see the Private Account option, which is enabled for me, and that means that my TikTok account is private. I just need to disable this switch right here. And it says here that anyone will be able to follow me and view my public posts. Also, anyone can duet with me. Anyone can download my videos and so on. So if you're sure you want a public TikTok account, just tap on the switch button right here, and that's it. If you have any more questions or suggestions about this whole process, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.